Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here, and today we are going to be doing a medium box braid. Yes, you guys, I am so excited, but damn, this video gave me, like, this hair gave me a tough time. You can imagine how short this hair is. Like, look at that. It is very short, and I am telling you, my hands were on fire. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I am not going to pretend. I am not going to lie. So hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ada and I do everything beauty, makeup tutorial, hair tutorial. I give you all the goodies, all the tips how to grow your hair and all those good stuff, skincare routine and everything, everything that has to do with beauty, anything you can think of that beauty is to you. That is what I do on this channel. So hey, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. It means something. It means something. I don't know, but it means something. Okay, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, if you haven't done so, do that right now. Please subscribe, click on the notification bell so you get notified when next I post a new video. And also don't forget to share this video and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section, tell me your thoughts and everything. Yeah, so of course we are already in the video, but let's just get started. So as you can see guys, we are doing a medium box braid, and boy oh boy, my hands were on fire because it was so painful. Like, the braid, her hair is like short, so it was kind of difficult trying to fix that in. Because of the color of braiding hair she used, I needed to tuck her hair in so we don't get to see her hair sticking out. So on this video I already showed, I have a video. I might link that. I'll just check and link that in the description or somewhere up there in the screen. I have a video where I showed how to 3 different ways that you can grip your braids. If you're someone that finds it difficult gripping braids, I have videos on how you can grip your braids. So 3 different ways you can grip your braids. So definitely one of those methods will work for you. I mean, in all of them might even work, it might not work, but one of them must definitely work for you. So I have more like a beginner friendly tutorials on all these. So I just like to, I don't know, but I just like to come on here and share most of these things. But the method I'm using right now is a 3-strand method, whereby you divide your braiding hair into 3 and then start braiding the natural hair from the natural hair and stuff. So I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. I wouldn't be doing much talking in today's video because it is practically practical. I don't know how to explain that, but it's just there for you to see. And yeah, of course I just love watching it because it's just pleasing to the eye to see, and how beautiful it comes out. It's just pleasing to the eye to see. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys at the end. Towards the end of this video, I'll definitely be seeing you guys. So you watch and learn. That is what we are doing today. Watch and learn. I'm not going to be doing much talking. I've been talking. So do go ahead and watch and learn as much as you can. Of course, you're welcome. guys, we are coming to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment telling me your favorite parts or anything you want to say in the comment section, or any video suggestion. Please do leave that in the comment section. And I thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.